Hello there guys and welcome. Okay, you see this tool right here. I just found this tool, which is an FRP tool that you can start using right here from now. Okay, if you look right here, you will see that you can see different brands right here. Okay, for example, you see Samsung right here. You can see the MTP option right here, which easily factory reset your Samsung. You see the ADB, then you see the FRP options right here, in which you can play with. Okay, but this is not what we are talking about right here, but this works just fine. You know what I'm saying? So what we are talking about right here is this other option right here, which is Android. Okay, this one right here is very important. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can use this, then show you how you can download it, so stay tuned. Okay, when you come right here to this option right here, you can easily bypass MTK devices and SPD. Okay, so what this tool does is that it easily enables ADB mode on that phone so that you can easily bypass the FRP. You know what I'm saying? So if you wanna enable ADB mode on the phone, then bypass the FRP, then you are gonna connect your phone to an internet connection. I don't have a phone right here, but you know what I'm talking about. If you have bypassed the FRP before, you are just going to connect to an internet connection, then you are going to come right here to this FRP tab right here. Then you are going to come to remove FRP. As soon as you click on this, you will have the old method, then the new method. You know what I'm saying? So what you're going to do right here is that you're going to connect your phone. Don't switch off the phone. Make sure you are connected to an internet connection, then connect your USB cable, then click on new method right here. As soon as you see checking ADB connection, quickly press and hold volume up and volume down button. So you will have a prompt on your screen to click on OK, then enable ADB mode. So as soon as you have done that, the tool will run everything for you. Okay, so if that does not work on the phone that you are trying to bypass right here, you can use the old method. And we have LG right here. You can easily factory reset LG on MTP mode, which is the normal mode. We have some stuff right here. Okay, we have some other models right here that you can factory reset and bypass LG FRP. You know what I'm saying? So we have Xiaomi right here. Then we have the ADB and blah blah blah. Okay, we have the Samsung right here, which I've talked about. Okay, so for you to download this tool, easily download this tool, you're gonna check my video description right there. You will see a direct link that will take you to the page in which you will download this tool. And for you to install the tool, what I will show you how you're gonna install the tool. As soon as you have downloaded the tool, then I want you to disable your Windows Defender before installing the tool. You know what I'm saying? So for you to install the tool, you are gonna click on the WinRAR file right here, then you're gonna double click right here. Okay, and make sure that you are connected to an internet connection anytime that you are using the tool. You understand? Gonna take some time. Okay, cool. You're gonna click on next. Yeah, create shortcut. That's okay, cool. Then you're gonna click on install right here, and that will be all. As soon as it's done installing, you can start using the tool. I'm not gonna do that because I already have the tool running. Okay, so thank you.